Hello, my name is David Jong, and today I'll be answering this FRQ. So, the very first question of the FRQ states that I must find the area of S, and S is between y of g of x and y of f of x. So, how do we find this area of S? What we do is find the area under the curve of f of x and find the area under the curve of g of x. And then what we do is the area under the curve of f of x subtracted by the area under the curve of g of x. And then if we put that into mathematical notation, we can see as this equation right here. Area of region S equals to area under the curve of f subtracted by area under the curve of g. If you plug that into a calculator, then you get 12.142 subtracted by the integral of 0 to 4 g of x dx. And the integral of g of x dx is equal to 6.938. So the value of the area of S, is 5.204. The second question asks us to find a solid is generated when S is revolved around the horizontal line of y equals to 5. Write but do not evaluate an evaluation involving one or more integrals that gives the volume of the solid. So how do we do that? So we know that volume equals to the pi of an integral of 5 minus g of x squared subtracted by 5 minus f of x squared dx. And actually that's the answer. So the volume equals to pi integral of 0 to 4 5 minus g of x squared subtracted by 5 f of x squared dx. And region R is the base of an art sculpture. At all points in R, at a distance x from the y-axis, the height of the sculpture is given by h equals to 4 minus x. Find the volume of the art sculpture. So how do we find the volume? We have to find the integral of g of x multiplied by the integral of 4 minus x in order to find the volume of the art sculpture. And if we do that, we get the value here. Volume equals to integral of 0 to 4 minus x times g of x dx. And if you find the integral of all of that together, you get 17.243, which is the answer to C. Thank you.